I'm anxious for. I am so happy to be back at this. Let's go. Yeah. Excuse me. Aw. Power was just. How's Denji supposed to get her under control? Power. Kind of a bitch move there, honey. It was him. Power, you're being kind of a bitch here. I'll tell you, Denji's in a good situation for his new. Just gonna bring it up. His newly stated goal of touching boobs. Fair assessment. Aww.
わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。猫ごときにとうぬには分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
Yeah, I was just gonna say, okay, she's right. No understanding. You play with your kitty cat and let him fondle your boobies.
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら
I'd say,
胸
yes,
を揉ませ
please.
てやると言ったらどうする？
We got a mission.
悪魔がよ。
Yeah, let's go, bro.
猫よ。
Now that's proper motivation right there. Those are nice boobs.
そうなったら罪じゃ。
He can't stop looking. Here, Master Roshi, he'd be bleeding all over the place, or Sanji right now.
君の仕事は犬を育て使うことだ。くれぐれも情は入れてくれるな。
Big ass empty offices like that. What purpose do they serve? Put some furniture in there, bro. Other than your desk. They just serve to intimidate.
コーヒーは怖いイメージは全くないからコーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。でも車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう。タイヤに引かれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも。そこの家じゃ。
Alright.
あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
Go kill that devil and touch some boobs.
はあ。
Aww.
じゃあさっさと行くか。
I like how the dynamics of the Japanese language. Just the thing. Aww.
貧血なるからチェーンソーにはなり。
バカじゃが
What
勘が
the
良かったな。
fuck? What are we doing here? Power, what the hell? What the fuck?
随分と私を待たせたな。
What the
貴
fuck?
様に
Power!
つけられた傷。この私を隠れざるを得なくさせた忌々しい傷だ。
This guy's pissed off.
知るか、バカ。
Food shouldn't speak.
まずい一理復活してしまったではないか。
話を信用できたもんじゃな。やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Jesus Christ. So that settles it. That means no boobs.
いう話だったが。
ニャーコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだった。
Oh boy.
ニャーコ。ニャーコ。うぬの名はニャーコじゃ。
Oh, okay. This is how she found him. That's an intense look.
やつはすべて殺してたからな。
I like her penchants for running around naked. That's quality.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。
Yeah, I guess you do.
ひどい気分じゃな。
'Tis an awful feeling. It is indeed. Uh-oh. Pregnant though.
俺の胸
Give me my tits back.
私の血を飲んでる気持ち悪い貴様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ
どんな気持ちで眠ってたんだ
Excuse me. So he's still feeling empathy for her. Here we go. It's time. Whoop! Surprise! This is cool as fuck.
てめえが腹裂いて胸も
Do it, Denji. Then cop me a feel. Remember, full reactions to this video and thousands of others over at the Goosh, our Patreon. Back to the video. Come on, Denji, slice him up.
とっとと逃げろ野郎の命なんざ知るか
Ooh! Ah, oh, fire, bat bitch.
なぜ生きてる
I love the rip pull of the ripcord.
散々な目ばっかあってよ我慢しかしてねえのに
Denji's getting super serial right now.
人飲みもしてねえんだよ
Hey, that's right. I understand your frustration, brother. See ya. See ya. What an amazing show, you guys.